The kraken is a legendary sea monster of a giant size that is said to dwell off the coasts of Norway and Greenland. Several authors over the years have postulated that the legend originated from sightings of a giant squid that may grow to 12 through 15 meters in length, despite the fact that the creature in its original tales was not described as having tentacles and resembling more of a whale or crab. The sheer size and scary appearance made the kraken I'm sorry, guys. The sheer size and fearsome appearance attributed to the kraken have made it a common ocean-dwelling monster in various fictional works. English word kraken is taken from Norwegian. In Norwegian and Swedish, kraken is the definite form of crake, a word designating an unhealthy animal or something twisted. In the late 13th century version of the Old Icelandic saga Orvar Odar, I don't know how you say that, I'm sorry, is an inserted episode of a journey bound for I don't know how you say it, Helluland, I don't know, which takes the protagonists through the Sea of Greenland. And here they see two massive sea monsters called Hafguva and Langbacher. I don't know how you say that. The Hafguva is believed to be a reference to the kraken. After returning from Greenland, the unknown author of the Old Norwegian scientific work, Knogens Skugget, I don't know how to say this, the physical characteristics and feeding behavior of these beasts. The narrator proposed there must only be two in existence, stemming from the observation that the beasts have always been seen in the same parts of the Greenland Sea, and that each seemed incapable to reproduce, as there was no increase in their numbers. There is a fish that is still unmentioned, which it is scarcely advisable to speak about on account of its size, because it will seem to most people incredible. There are only a very few who can speak upon it clearly, because it is seldom near land nor appears where it may be seen by fishermen. Appearance and origins. Since the late 18th century, kraken have been depicted in several ways, primarily as large squid-like creatures, and it is often alleged that Pontoppidan's kraken might have been based on sailors' observations of a giant squid. The kraken is also depicted to have spikes on each sucker. But in the earliest descriptions, however, the creature were more like a crab than like an octopus, and generally possessed traits that are associated with large whales rather than with giant squid. Some traits of kraken resemble undersea volcanic activity occurring around the Iceland region, including bubbles of water, dangerous currents, and appearance of new islets. The legend of the kraken continues to the present day, with numerous references existing in pop culture, including film, television, video games, literature, and other things.